Welcome to this moment of coming home to yourself. Find a comfortable position where you can be still for the next few minutes and allow your eyes to close gently, or simply soften your gaze downward. Take a natural breath and arrive here in this moment. Be aware of the sounds around you. Aware of the sensations in the body. Now let's explore together. Ask yourself gently, who am I? Not as an intellectual question, but as a genuine inquiry into your essential nature. Who am I? Notice what emerges. I am this, I am that. If you are noticing such a response from within, then ask yourself, who am I before that? All my I ams would be pertaining to the body, but who I am before I took the body. Keep returning to the simple recognition, I am. Not I am this or that, but just the pure simple fact of being, I am. This I am is not a thought about yourself, but it is a very consciousness that is aware of thoughts. It's what you are before any story, any identity, any description. Rest in this recognition. Be what you already are. This presence. So throughout the day, keep this I am with you. It is what you are always. Carry this recognition with you.